Put maize starch inside of your caramel and you will see the secret from the bakers. Let's start by adding in the pan a cup of sugar. And we'll mix this sugar until it turns to a caramel. There's no secret. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from so I can send you that special hug on the next video. Then guys, it's gonna be like this caramel, all of this sugar very melted, and now it's time for the secret. We are going to put water inside of it, okay? But go adding it little by little because it can jump on you. And now we are going to wait for it to melt all over again until it turns to a new caramel, a more fluid caramel, okay guys? This secret makes all difference. Let's mix it with the spoon just to ease this process of melting. And now we'll go to the second part of this recipe, which is the most important one, alright? So after it's all melted, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of maize starch. But first we are going to dissolve it into water like this, as you can see on the video, okay? And then you just have to put this maize starch inside of the caramel. There's no secret, okay guys? Go mixing it until they are very mixed up. The maize starch will give a new consistency to this caramel. It will turn like a honey, okay? And it's gonna be brighter and shinier. You're gonna see the difference, okay guys? We'll mix it very well in medium heat until it gets to this consistency, this texture, as you can see on the video, guys. That's the right point to this recipe. If you want to make more of it, you just need to double the ingredients, alright? And our recipe is already done, folks. I'm gonna put it in another recipient, in a bowl, so you can understand what I'm talking about. And with this caramel, you can make tons of recipes, okay? Maybe that's why your recipe is not being like the one you buy in the bakery, because you're not doing the little secrets that they can make all the difference. You just have to make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it, guys, seriously. It's super delicious. This texture is amazing. It's just like a honey, like I said. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10.